Welcome back to Explore Error. In this video, we'll show you how to enable WebGL 2.0 in Google Chrome. If you find this helpful, please consider subscribing and liking the video. Here we are in Google Chrome, and having WebGL and WebGL 2.0 enabled is important because some websites and online games need it to work properly. We'll guide you step by step so you know exactly what to do. We'll also cover a quick troubleshooting tip in case WebGL isn't working, even if it's enabled. First, go to the top right of Chrome and click the three dots. Scroll down and select Settings, gear icon. Next, on the left side, scroll down to System. Look for Use Hardware Acceleration when available. This must be turned on for WebGL 2.0 to work. If it's already on but not working, try turning it off, relaunch Chrome, then turn it back on and relaunch again. Finally, you can check if it's working by typing Chrome:///GPU in the address bar. Look for WebGL, and if it says Hardware Accelerated, it's enabled and working correctly. If you found this useful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and stay tuned for more helpful guides. Have a great day, and see you next time.